In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a new Norton Antivirus product key, whether you're upgrading to a newer version or you've just purchased a new subscription. Entering your product key is a quick and easy process, and I'll walk you through each step to make sure you get it done smoothly. First, you'll need to visit the official Norton website. This is the safe and secure place to manage your antivirus products. To begin, open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Norton's official website. It's a good idea to bookmark this site if you frequently manage your subscriptions online. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the homepage. You'll find all sorts of helpful links and resources about your antivirus software. Now, look towards the upper right corner for the My Account tab. This is your personal gateway to managing all things Norton. Click on My Account and you'll be prompted to log in. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials. If you're new to Norton, just take a minute to create an account. It's a straightforward process, and once you've got your account set up, you'll have easy access to all your Norton products. After you've logged into your account, you should see an option labeled Enter Your Product Key. It's usually a prominent button on the dashboard. Click on this button to proceed. Keep in mind that having your product key handy at this stage is crucial. This key typically consists of a sequence of letters and numbers and can be found either in your purchase confirmation email or printed on the card if you've purchased a physical copy in a store. Once you've clicked on Enter Your Product Key, a new window will open where you can type in your key. Carefully enter the key, making sure to avoid any mistakes. Verification will take only a few seconds, and once completed, you'll receive a confirmation that your product is activated. And there you have it. Your Norton Antivirus product key has been successfully entered, and your antivirus software is ready to keep your devices safe and secure. If you encounter any issues, feel free to use the support resources available on the Norton website, which are tremendously helpful. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has made the process a breeze for you. Stay safe online.